Welcome to Agentic AI, the future of intelligent systems. In this episode, we're diving into the plumbing of agentic intelligence, the infrastructure that lets autonomous AI agents access data, interact with tools, and collaborate with one another. Specifically, we're exploring two foundational protocols: Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, or MCP, and Google's Agent to Agent. As agentic AI becomes more embedded into enterprise operations and everyday interfaces, the need for standardized, secure, and flexible communication channels becomes paramount. Think about it. AI agents aren't just sitting quietly in a prompt anymore. They're actively pulling from databases, invoking APIs, and interacting with other intelligent systems. And with that comes the need for an architectural shift in how these systems are wired. Let's begin with MCP, Anthropic's approach to making AI assistants smarter by giving them access to real time tools and data. Imagine an agent writing a report, but instead of working with stale data or hallucinated numbers, it uses MCP to securely access the latest figures from your CRM or database. The beauty of MCP lies in its modularity. You can plug in tools as MCP servers, and the agent, whether it's Claude, GPT, or another LLM, simply connects and calls the right resource. But this power comes with responsibility. Security in MCP isn't just a checkbox, it's foundational. Without proper safeguards, vulnerabilities can creep in. Tokens used for tool access can be exposed. Agents might inadvertently overreach and pull sensitive data. That's why setting up an MCP ecosystem requires a careful design: permission boundaries, input, output validation, and human in the loop checkpoints to avoid misuse or unintended behaviors. It's not enough for the protocol to work. It has to work safely, especially in enterprise environments. Now, on the other side of the architecture is Google's A2A, the agent to agent protocol. If MCP is about giving agents better eyes and hands to interact with the world, A2A is about giving them a voice to speak with each other. It enables agents built on different platforms, maybe one developed in Python with LangChain, another embedded in SAP, to discover each other, negotiate task formats, exchange information, and collaborate asynchronously. From recruiting workflows to IT automation, A2A envisions a future where AI agents coordinate seamlessly like well trained colleagues across departments. What makes A2A notable is its design for long running tasks and real time updates. Think of a scenario where a logistics agent collaborates with a procurement agent. The conversation isn't just one question and answer. It might take hours, involve approvals, and result in multiple artifacts like quotes, schedules, or delivery notes. A two-way supports that flow with built-in streaming, task state management, and multimodal messaging. Together, MCP and A2A form a powerful stack for the agentic era. MCP powers the vertical integration of agents with tools and data, giving them context and actionability. A two-way supports horizontal integration, enabling teams of agents to divide, delegate, and conquer complex workflows. And when used in tandem, we unlock intelligent orchestration at scale. But there's a caveat: adoption of these protocols requires not just technical integration but operational trust. In MCP, we must ensure secure access controls. Not every agent should have permission to execute every tool. In A2A, agents must verify credentials before accepting delegated tasks. These systems are not just about autonomy, but accountable autonomy. And that's what makes this infrastructure a strategic priority for AI system designers and CIOs alike. So, what does the future look like? One where AI agents can not only fetch data but collaborate intelligently, where developers don't have to reinvent integrations every time but plug into a shared protocol stack, where security, context awareness, and collaboration are not bolted on but built in from day one. And as we navigate this new landscape, remember this: the power of agentic AI doesn't just come from the models, it comes from the systems that connect them. Thank you for tuning in to Agentic AI, the future of intelligent systems. We'll continue to explore how AI's infrastructure is evolving to meet the next wave of intelligent, autonomous, and responsible systems. Stay with us.